Hello everyone, today we are comparing the Redmi Pad 2, Vivo Pad 5 and Honor Pad 10. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Display features. All three tablets come with IPS LCD display. Next, compare the hardware features. Redmi Pad 2 and Vivo Pad 5 are powered by the MediaTek chipset, and the Honor Pad 10 comes with Snapdragon chipset. Camera features. They offer 8 megapixel rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. These devices include studio speakers, Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.